It's back. What's back? What am I talking about? I'm going to tell you what platform I've taken off my list and put back on. But first, I'm going to give you a moment to read this disclaimer. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. And the platform that I'm talking about is aplextrade. Aplextrade. And you don't remember it, don't worry. I'm going to go through it again for you. The reason that I took this platform off originally is I was watching the Telegram group, and I just really didn't get a good feel for it. I really didn't like the way the moderator was really talking to people and handling people. I was like, I really don't like that. And so I took it off my list. But here's how I judge a platform. Does it pay? Is it having problems with people getting their money? And so I kept my money in, because if you take your money out within a certain period of time, guess it's going to be you're going to have a fee. So I said, well, hey, look, it's already in here. I'd already, invested what I was willing to lose. So let's just let it ride and let it stay in there. And so anytime I have money on a platform, I'm always going to keep checking on the Telegram group, because usually that's where if something's popping off, if something's going wrong first. So I just kept checking. I kept checking, and people there weren't any complaints. It wasn't anything, if somebody did have an issue, it was quickly resolved. And I said, well, you know what? Hey, look, if I'm going to have money in here, and I looked in here and nobody's complaining about the money, hey, look, let me put it back on the list. So I've added it back to the list. It really seems to have gotten better in the Telegram group. Maybe it was just somebody's frustration when it got first started, and there are a lot of the same type questions, and maybe I was frustrated, but it's really gotten a lot better. The other thing about this platform is just always remember, with any platform, they could be here today and gone tomorrow. So only invest what you're willing and able to lose. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. And make sure that you do your own due diligence about all the platforms, aplextrade and every other platform. So let's kind of walk over the platform, since it may have been a minute, and I have new people all the time. I like to shout out to all my new watchers, subscribers. You guys are awesome. Just like my old subscribers, you are awesome as well. Always appreciate you allowing me to kind of share my journey with you. And man, if you get value from what I've shared, man, so many people have reached back out to me and say they've gotten value from what I share. I really appreciate that. Okay, enough of that. Let's talk about this platform. Let's look at the plans, and then we'll look at the FAQs. So the plans on the platform are okay. So let's go here. Get started for $25 and 4.1% per day. You can take away your principal at any time, but there's fees, and we're going to go through the FAQ, so don't worry about that. But anyway, just want to give you an overview. $25 to $9.99. The next plan is $1,000 and $9,999, 4.4% for 30 days. So these are 30-day plans. And then the last plan, $10,000 to $250,000, 4.8% per day for 30 days. You can the total ROI is 144 plus you get your return. At least that's what I remember last time. We're going to go through these FAQs to make sure that nothing's changed since we talked last. Questions and answers, FAQs. It's a trading platform. So, it's the easiest place you can multiply your income, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Officially registered, doesn't matter. Platforms go down all day, every day that are officially registered. How can I start investing? Create an account. Sign up page. What's the minimum deposit amount? We talked about that. 25 for the first package, 10,000 for the second package, and 100,000 for the, I'm sorry, let me see. No, that's 10,000 for the third package, 1,000 for the second package, 10,000 for the third package. So those are the minimum amounts. Which payment systems do you accept? Perfect Money and cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Tether, Ripple, Litecoin, Binance, Dogecoin, and Tron. What's the minimum withdrawal amount? For Perfect Money, $1, Tether $5, BTC $20, Ethereum 20, BNB 5, LTC 5, Doge 5, Tron 5, and XRP is 5. How long will it take to receive to my wallet? Withdrawals are instant. We like those instant withdrawals. For principal withdrawals, it takes 72 hours to release a deposit. So this is a really important notification, because if you choose to take out your principal, it's going to take 72 hours for you to get that back. If you choose to take out your profit, or your profit, that's instant. But if you're choosing to take out your principal off the account, that's 72 hours. Okay, can I withdraw my capital before the end of the plan? Okay, so yes, you can release your capital at any time after the first 24 hours of making it. We charge a fee of 25%. So after 24 hours and before the 14th day, that's 25%. 15% after the 14th day and before the end of the investment plan. And no principal deposit is returned after the plan expires. So what that's saying is, as you go forward, these are true 4%. So as you go forward and you're getting that every day, if you invest $100, we'll just keep that real, make it easy. You're going to get your percentage every day. That's going to be profit. Then at the end of the plan, you're going to get your return back. So that's what it's saying. Do you have an affiliate program? Yes, 2 levels. Affiliate program and instant commissions. You can find details on the affiliate page, and we'll go look there. How to get additional rewards. We have 4 increased rewards based on direct referrals. So $5,000 direct active referrals, $250 bonus, $20,000 direct active referrals, $1,000 bonus, $50,000 direct active referrals, $2,500 bonus, and $100,000 direct active referrals, $10,000 bonus. Can I change my account data? Keep my account secure, so we're not gonna really go over all that. Affiliates, let's look at the affiliate program. They do have one. It's a 2-level affiliate program, like most of them are, or many of them are, a 6 and a 2. So just 2 levels. And then we did talk about the bonuses here. So I'm not going to go over that again. All right, guys. So that's kind of this platform. Just wanted to let you know that I'm putting it back on the roster. And we'll see how it goes. You know me, I don't have a problem taking any of them off. I don't have a problem putting them back on when things change, as I see things move and shift. I'm happy to do both of them. It doesn't bother me to do either one of them. Once again, this one, my whole thing with any platform, is it paying? Are people having problems getting their money? And if they're not having problems, regardless of how I may feel about some things and this, that, and other, if I'm going to put my money in it, I'm going to share it with you. If I'm not going to put my money in it, I'll let you know, and I will take it off my list. Okay. But always do your own due diligence. Just because I put it back on doesn't mean you need to invest in it. And just because I take it off doesn't mean you shouldn't invest in it. Always do your own due diligence. Okay, guys, that's it. This is Sean Hill, the passive income coach. If you got value from this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you like to be updated when I make any changes one way or the other, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell, ding. And if you like to be part of Aplex Trade, make sure that you click that link in the comment and in the description of this video. With that being said, this is Sean Hill, passive income coach, and I'll see you on the next video.